Randy, are you sleeping? Oh! Are you sleeping?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Were you sleeping?
Nope. I don't do that sort of thing.
Huh?
I don't do that sort of thing.
You never sleep?
Nope, I never sleep.
Were you snoring?
Nope, I just take care of everybody else's shit they don't want to take care of.
But you were snoring.
So?
Did I tell you to go to bed a half hour ago?
Nope.
I
You
did.
said, I wish I could be like you and just stay up and take care of everybody else's shit.
I told you to go to bed a half hour ago.
Well, you didn't make my dinner yet, did you?
You made me dinner earlier.
Oh.
And I told you to go to bed.
Wow. That's because if I went to bed without no dinner, I would never get any. So I have to have something.
What are you talking about?
You starve, you go hungry.
What the hell are you talking about?
I know what it is around here. Shit, you can have nothing. Everybody want to just eat everything. I'm good all the time. I'm fucking making dinner and I'm fucking doing dishes.
I told you to go to bed a half hour ago and you're snoring. No. You're snoring. I'm recording you snoring. It's not even 10 o'clock and you're snoring. Go to bed.
Oh, 10 o'clock? Man, shit, 10 o'clock's come and gone twice since I've been away.
What are you talking about? What do you mean 10 o'clock's come and gone twice? What are you talking about?
Ain't it 10 o'clock yet? No. Got a couple minutes there.
Go to bed.
Here, I got something for you.